Good morning, friends. I welcome you in the economics class. In this class, we will study about national income accounting. First of all, we will try to understand that what is the meaning of national income accounting. If we will go through the national, it means country. Income, the money. Accounting means calculation. It means national income accounting. Under this chapter, we will study about how the country can calculate their income annually. First of all, we will go through the definition of national income. National income is generally defined as sum total of all final goods and services produced in a country and net income from abroad in a year. Yes, dear friends, by the definition we can understand that the definition is telling sum total of all final goods and services. It means whatever the country can produce the commodity or the goods and services in a year, and net income, it means final income or whatever income will earn by the abroad in a year, it's come under the national income. So now the definition is very clear. Once again we'll go through the definition. National income is generally defined as sum total of all final goods and services produced in a country and net income from abroad in a year. Further, where we can use or what is the method to utilize this national income accounting? First, we have the national income measures the rate of economic growth of a nation. It means if the country's national income is high, then we can understand that the economic growth of a nation is also high. Here we can measure, it means we can calculate the economic growth of a nation with the help of the national income. Even it's also help us to know the relative contribution of all sectors of an economy. It means whatever the sectors like health sectors, infrastructure sector, if we'll go through the industrial sectors, these are the sectors. Here the contribution of all the sectors we can calculate with the help of only national income. National income figures are very necessary for economic policy formulation and plannings. It means figure means the actual number of the income. It means 10 crore, 100 crores, 10,000 crores or whatever the exact income the figure will come out, that is also important for the formulation of economic policies and plannings.